by Comono, air cost between Annor, and the Sporting Club and Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
I'm not going to compose Anomame, or never mind, I didn't come.
I said football strategy. But do this with Sasia.
Who should stand you and no more, why, yeah, and I have you now, come on, that's fair.
Okay.
Meaning, come out, what's me? How was that man was a cuckoo as Asante Kotoko?
Division is so.
Come on. Now, no dinner. Stanley Menzo, sir.
Now, no,
what do you compare my mark on the credit?
What do you go? What do you go? Yeah.
Come on, Stanley Menzo. Come back to the policy. I go to the place. Except a more comfort, Wuno.
This is somebody Camara.
I'm going to almost a movie. Time do a
movie on.
Sure.
Okay.
All I can now. A assessment.
Okay. Timitin komona si ya Asante Kotoko players no. One mom contract na wo so mu renew omo ko no.
Sure.
Omo de omo nko. Ani ya ba.
Omo contract na renew ya.
Omo ya mo ma jinso mu mo club no. Na so ni do team no.
Sure.
So.
Sure.
So mo a. Sure. Mbeja akwan.
Sure.
But who is a Krofemi ni fi ho na. Players in kind the onka say opamu bia. No be ndey.
I assessment no be with the head coach Ponina na me de no.
Okay.
So we assessment for 3 days to 1 week. Now money won't show them here. You will stay.
Okay.
But assessment to the cost. Now money will form. Come down. No alternative contracts.
Wow.
And the team here. Please leave you so much. Somebody almost second Asante Kotoko next season. Nobody be doing that.
Okay, yeah.
Babembo. Please leave you no. I want to say next season. The Stanley will do Ghana. No more pre-season. When the 5 days, each player be assessment.
Or the next 5
days.
Never assess
players. Okay. Because players all the heavy video. But whom the phone who said yeah, play be piano.
Okay.
Eti obokum wa enche. I share benefit there. Na Stanley Menzo ala di kumase.
Okay.
Eti oba there will be assessment. Oh, ada kujachi. I say we say also on pay so mu wie. And so we are all sports stadium.
Also mu
nya. So the boys no but the boys say come on so sa. Second kwa trouser amane nyonga.
Kotoko ede.
Omo observation and our trouser amane nyonga.
Asa buru na obanie. Wonim obia oga.
Sure. After the season, Kotoko, any only Chamoko today, no. I'm going to catch him before I'm trust beam.
Okay.
I'm going for place in Black Kotoko. But take this for me. Second try next season. Cobra and Manon.
Oh, okay. Because one Stanley Menzo, you look at her in Unim. What on the twin chan? But you know about so much on Unim. Some more sign like this or more access. Sure. Just always the next season. I'm more yeah. And Manon, okay.
Observation and our trust. Everybody next season. I was Asante Kotoko.
Who be killed down? Check me out. Several of them names. I don't know.
If you say trust, no pay. Okay. Or pay observation.
If you don't believe you, be third one now more. No. Could you manage now? Third one, I'm saying, no.
Justify.
General.
Oh, just say kind of observation. You can justify.
Okay. Thank you very much. But that's the very much of the exclusives NC.
And if yes, no contracts with nation aka 1 year.
Aka afi baako.
That is all. Upon next season we are.
Okay.
Next year close bebre pa ano. Ghana. Clubs bebre pa ano.
Okay.
Now Asante Kotoko. Abawem.
Krodi Kumasi Asante.
Abawem.
Abawem ope
Emmanuel.
Okay.
And yes Asante Kotoko kwa. Bidema Sporting Club. And so the anu edi komo.
Bidema so wem. Sometimes no. One mass in weirdna. We should go see ho. Now go mind ho. Now wura ho.
Na Stanley Menzo. I share a video no was wow. What was it? Because so offer talented player offer
talented player. Talented player.
No cool.
Okay.
Another video no. Wow. Ophelia no brutal.
Good.
It could go any place of power come down. It's official announcement about official character all nations.
Okay.
For Emmanuel Annor.
Wonderful. Agogo.
Nkubi amakote pa kobra. Albert Amoa.
Agogo.
Lovely.
All right.
Kobra. Albert Amoa. Enya deal. O say bibi okoye no. Amunye na wie.
Yeah.
Tada o say o de sa story ni ba.
Yeah.
Amunye na wie. Na deal two ana so.
2 office aso.
2 office
for Albert Amoa.
Albert Amoa Ugu. Na Stanley Menzo catch board and say, "Obi here Albert Amoa."
Okay.
For next season. But to show you now one scanner PM na. Come na Albert Amoa. Sanya ko be for Kotoko na be tin. O me ka ko na che mo. Abi tin.
Agogo be sama Kotoko.
Omo nja ye, but so be say, Asante Kotoko no. For next season ko be tin.
Oh, okay.
Abi tin. Because do not so outside no.
Yeah.
Ska boom pa. Ko hweska. Kushieska.
See, say, you look at players no. Who's a honey seeker say your challenge kakra. So mtu kwa ko huska mo no ne ba Saana. Oba na ka so metra mo.
Wontra.
Ya na ed. You say dia. We should tell no break bank. Yes how you dey obeko. Because dey ko hu wo ho no. E bi half ntimi ofa.
Kobra. Malaysia club bi ni bra beta mo so.
Chief.
Kobra. Take it for me, ni chontro. Take it for me.
Chief.
Omo ni bra beta mo so no. Seidu Saana champion midfielder. In fact, Unibobo pa. In fact, easy. Seidu Saana. Kobra.
The midfield dynamo. The midfield master.
House of folk ne Jonas Stars o yadwuma pa odoma. PFF ho brutal.
And this is the yadwuma wa ye no.
Ano hye.
Seidu Saana.
Ano hye. Hey, class be kondo pa.
Sir, class be kondo.
Chia, how to folk empty mommy.
Ninjas of folk empty man.
Wow, boss.
Mr. Jesus.
Come on, what do mate.
They're all in a last.
Mate, come on. Oh, say me igi on me kota wa. Come on, be kosu mate. Seidu Saana.
The Mr. Jesus ben.
How to folk come on.
Has folk about
room. Na nyam nko a. Asante Kotoko.
Come here, come say Asante Kotoko. Hey. I can see when you are going. Come on, let go to some ground. I will fly you on the man. Let go to some ground.
Asante gold 04.
Asante gold 04.
Asante gold 04. Come on, to say, I'm going to put the kind check on Koreas.
As good.
Mr. Eric.
The money man.
In fact, who's the Kaka at Mama? Seidu Saana. In fact, what are two?
It's you. Say so the about 20 years.
Seidu. Oh, don't you meet Eric? Wouldn't you know?
Oh, say so more there. So
go some more there.
So since you num there.
Then so you can go and say